Hey, Mr. Popkins. He is definitely one of our favorites. He comes here a lot. See his little lion cut. Hi, Mr. Popkins. And he is always lovey-dovey, friendly, loving people. Hey, Mr. Popkins. Come on, come over here. Mr. Popkins. Pretty boy. Come over here. Come on. Yes, what a nice kitty you are. What a nice kitty you are. Yes. So he's doing well. He always does. He comes in and he acclimates immediately. He's eating fine. I love his tail. Avoiding normally. And he's just one of the best cats ever. Huh, Mr. Popkins? Yes. Your best boy.